Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today for Applied Information System in Hospitality, we are going to cover topic number 5, Room Management Module and Guest Account. The learning objectives is to identify the features and function of the Rooms Management Module or RMM of a hotel PMS. Number 2 is to define the room status terms and explain the importance of eliminating room status discrepancies. Number 3 is to explain how this module can assist in assigning guest rooms. And number 4, to explain the housekeeping functions performed by this module. An automated PMS monitors and controls a number of front office and back office functions, but not all PMS operate identically, but the RMM is always essential in front office software. The Rooms Management Module may assist in maintaining current information on room status, assigns guest room during check-in, and helps coordinate guest services. This module is designed to strengthen the communication link between the front office and housekeeping, and most modules can perform these functions: identify current room status, assist in assigning rooms to guests at check-in, provide in-house guest information, organize housekeeping activities, and generate timely reports for management. This model will also alert the front desk agent of the status of each room. Front desk agent simply enters the room number to check the current status. Housekeeping staff can change the room status through a desktop terminal in their work area, a guest room touch-tone phone, or a wireless handheld device. The updated room status is then automatically communicated to front desk. This model is also capable of automatic room and rate assignments at the time of check-in, and guest data can be displayed at the front desk, switchboard, concierge station, and other remote locations. This module enables management to efficiently schedule needed housekeeping staff and to review detailed housekeeping reports. Automated wake-up system and message waiting system can be interfaced with this module. Before assigning rooms to guests, front desk must have access to the current, accurate information on the status of all rooms. Current status of all rooms can be affected by information about future availability, such as reservation data, and the current availability from the housekeeping data. The future availability is important because it will affect the length of stay of in-house guests. Access to rooms availability data that extend several days into the future will give front desk reliable room status information. Current availability of room is important because front desk must properly assign rooms to guests at the time of check-in. Non-automated front desk system often problematic because of communication breakdown between the front office and housekeeping. Automated front desk application can ensure timely communication by converting data input by the front office, housekeeping, and guest services into messages that are available at several locations throughout the property. Hotel technology is capable of instantly updating housekeeping status of rooms, enabling the front desk to make quick and accurate room assignments during check-ins. For example, when housekeeping informs the PMS that a room status has been changed from unchanged to vacant and ready, a notice will be then automatically relayed to the front desk. Let's look at this room status definition. Try and give input to what this abbreviation means and define all the terms. Room status discrepancy refers to a situation in which the housekeeping department's description of a room status is different from the front desk. Discrepancies can seriously affect the hotel's ability to satisfy guests and maximize rooms revenue. Non-automated properties experience discrepancy because the time delay in communicating the room status from housekeeping to the front desk. Rooms Management Module will generate room discrepancy report that signals the management the specific room in which the status must be investigated. This report variances between the front desk and housekeeping status updates. This is an important dimension of room management and control. Discuss what can happen if there is a room status discrepancy. Room and rate assignment. Room Management Module or RMN can assist the front desk to assign rooms and rates to guests during their check-in. Automatic room and rate assignments are made according to parameters specified by the hotel management. This is according to predetermined floor zone or index of room usage. The interactive room and rate assignments will give the front desk direction in decision-making situation while increasing control over actual room assignments. Front office can use RMM to display an abbreviated list of available rooms selected by type and rate. This list will enable the front desk to quickly suggest a room to a guest at check-in. And this will ensure a faster check-in process than a less directed search through rooms availability database. In-house guest information. RMM is also designed to provide limited review of the guest data. The guest data can be displayed on terminal screens, handheld devices, or other media, so hotel employees can quickly identify the name, room number, and telephone extension of the guest. Guest data could also be transferred to point of sale POS to expedite verification and authorization of charge purchases that a guest makes. When POS terminals in dining area is interfaced with PMS, guest data can be reviewed before charges are accepted. Cashiers can verify that a particular room is occupied and then the correct guest name will be on the folio. Access to this data will avoid mistakes such as charges accepted for the wrong guest, charges accepted for guests who have vacated, or guests who have been denied charge privileges. Housekeeping function. Housekeeping also relies on RMM, and the function of housekeeping is including forecasting number of rooms to be cleaned, scheduling room attendance, assigning workloads, measuring productivity. Forecasting of rooms to be cleaned is done by processing current house counts and expected number of arrivals. After determining number of rooms to be cleaned, most modules can generate schedules for each room attendant. When entering a room to clean, room attendant may use the telephone interface with PMS to enter his or her identification code, the room number, and the code identifying current room status. The PMS may log the time of the call. When the room is clean and ready for inspection, room attendant will use the phone again to notify their inspector. Again, the PMS will record the time of the call. The room attendant's time in and out of the room will enable this module to determine productivity rates. What does it mean? Productivity rates means the average length of time an attendant spends in a room and the number of rooms attended to during a shift. The productivity report will keep management up to date of potential inefficiencies while tracking the location of housekeeping personnel throughout a shift. RMM are designed to generate reports that focus primarily onto room availability, room status, and room forecasting. These reports were designed to assist management in scheduling staff and distributing workloads. The types of report that can be generated by RMM includes the room allotment report, which summarizes all room committed or being booked or being blocked by future date. The registration progress report. This report will summarize all current house information, for example, check-ins, number of occupied rooms, rooms available for sale, and guests with reservation. The room activity forecast. This is a report that contains the information on anticipated arrivals, departures, stayovers, and vacancies. And number 4, actual departures report. This will include the names of the guests already checked out, room number, billing address, folio number. We will also have housekeeper assignment report. and this report assigns floor and room number to room attendants together with the room status. Number 6, housekeeper productivity report. This will list all the rooms cleaned and amount of time taken to clean each room. Room productivity report. This will rank room types by percentage of occupancy or by percentage of rooms revenue. Rooms history report. This will include all the revenue history and use of each room by room type. Summary. The RMM basically assists hotel operation in terms of enabling front desk to check in guests when they arrive and check out when they depart. The module also enables staff and management to maintain guest facilities through housekeeping functions. The reports could also be generated using this module for management decision making. Thank you.